Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have kids in Brookhaven and how you can basically name them, I guess. So to do that, you are going to open up this section over here, and then you can select this. You're just going to select either this or this. There's more options, but these are premium. So I'm just going to select this one. And you're just going to put your child's name. I'm going to name it George, I don't know. And then you can select the color that you want. And then that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.